they scare them. When we hear the radio and they hear that Bradley coming, they started to run away.
So they're game changers.
Yeah, for me, yes.
Bradley infantry fighting vehicles sent into the thick of the fight will be replaced by the latest models of the armed and armored systems. As we send weapons to Ukraine, the U.S. replaces them with either newer variants or newer systems. It is a way of modernizing the U.S. military.
That's right. I like to say we're not going to replace old with old. We're going to replace old with new. We are modernizing through the support that we're giving to the Ukrainians.